Welcome to your inspirational stories and encouragement channel. Merry Christmas to you and your wonderful family. May your Christmas be merry and bright. May it be filled with love, joy and peace. On this Christmas Day, we are excited to bring you another inspiring, heartwarming, and uplifting stories that capture the true spirit and the essence of Christmas. Enjoy yourself with your family and don't forget to share the love of Christmas with your neighbors, friends and the needs among you. Let today's story fill your heart with joy, peace, and love, thereby creating precious memories that will linger in your heart. So, celebrate this Christmas in a way that it will stay with you longer after the holidays. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy today's story. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share from my heart to yours, Titus Ogbeter Ray. And now, today's Christmas story. Titled, The Christmas Day Blessing. In a quiet suburb of Chicago, a family named the Harrisons had been through a lot that year. Mark Harrison, the father, had recently been laid off from his job at a local factory, and the family had been living on savings for months. It was now Christmas morning, and their home felt different from previous years. There was no tree, no lights, no festive dinners. Mark had tried to keep up the holiday spirit for his wife, Rachel, and their 3 children, Sonia, Emma and Luke, but he could see the sadness in their eyes. They had all learned to make do with less, but Christmas was a difficult time. Despite the challenges, the Harrisons found solace in each other's presence. Every night, they gathered around the dinner table, sharing stories and laughter, trying to hold on to the warmth of family. The holiday season had lost its usual magic, but there was still a sense of togetherness that helped them through the tough moments. Mark often found himself wishing for a miracle, something to bring back the joy and wonder that Christmas once had. On Christmas morning, as Mark was getting ready to tell his family that they couldn't afford presents this year, there was a knock on the door. When he opened it, he found a large box on the doorstep. Inside were gifts for everyone, clothes, toys, and even a beautifully cooked meal. It was from a neighbor, Mrs. Green, who had noticed the Harrisons' struggles. She had gathered donations from the community and quietly arranged for everything to be delivered on Christmas Day. Mrs. Green had no idea how much it meant, but for the Harrisons, it felt like a Christmas miracle. Tears filled Rachel's eyes as she hugged Mrs. Green, overwhelmed with gratitude. Mark was speechless, but in that moment, he realized that Christmas wasn't about the presents or the decorations. It was about the people who loved and cared for you when you needed it the most. The true gift of Christmas was not what they had received but the kindness of others who chose to lift them up. This experience taught the Harrisons an invaluable lesson about the power of community and generosity. Sometimes, the greatest gifts are not the ones we expect, but the ones we never see coming, the selfless acts that remind us we are all connected. As the day unfolded, Mark realized that the real magic of Christmas wasn't about the tree or the presents, but about the love and compassion that flows through the hearts of others, especially in times of need. It was a powerful reminder that kindness, no matter how small, can restore hope and light up even the darkest of days. Here is my encouragement for you from today's story, beloved. Mark and Rachel's story is a powerful reminder that Christmas is not about what we lack but about the abundance of love and support we can offer one another. Sometimes, the most profound gifts we can give are the ones that cannot be bought. Mrs. Green's act of kindness reminded the Harrisons that they were not alone, and that is what Christmas is truly about: connection, compassion, and generosity. When we open our hearts to others, we create a ripple effect of kindness that can change lives. This Christmas, let us be mindful of those who might be struggling and remember that even the smallest act of kindness can make a world of difference. Whether it's offering a meal to a neighbor in need or helping a colleague who's going through a tough time, our love and care for others is the greatest gift we can share. In a world that often feels divided, let's choose to be a source of light and hope for those around us. The Harrisons' Christmas Day experience is a testament to the power of community. No matter where we are in life, we can always find a way to lift others up. As we celebrate this holiday season, let's focus not on the material aspects of Christmas but on the heart of the holiday, the joy of giving and the love we share with others. The real Christmas miracle is not in the presents, but in the love and kindness we give to one another. I hope you are inspired by today's Christmas story, and learned some valuable lessons from it. Thank you for watching. If today's story resonated with you, please, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring stories. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a very happy, prosperous New Year 2025 in advance. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogbetere. Shalom, Shalom.